but here it is. Oh yeah. Make sure my name and his name is on the credits. Yes, we do.
Alright, so I got my Scirocco running. There's still a few loose ends that I need to take care of. One of the things I'd like to do is replace this Weber carburetor with some dual 40s. The research I did said this carburetor was good for about 200 horsepower, but I think it's slowing me down. So I'd like to put some dual 40s on here and maybe do like a dyno before and after, see what kind of horsepower I can get out of swapping this carburetor. Anyways, I'm super excited to have this Scirocco running. It's lots of fun, and thanks for watching and stick around.